Really, y'all don't know this, y'all in danger. I'm a threat. I'm a gamble with your life, cause you know that it's okay. It's okay. You know I ain't letting up, my foot is on your neck. Take my word for it, it's a promise and a threat. Really, y'all don't know this, y'all in danger. I'm a threat. I'm a gamble with your life, cause you know that it's a bet. It's a bet. You know I ain't letting up, my foot is on your neck. Take my word for it, it's a promise and a threat. I ain't never really wanna flex my gifts, but I think it's my time. Let me check my wrist. You can never dim my shine, I'ma keep on grinding till I reach the top. When it's just in my jeans and I ain't looking back, cause I'm feeling like Chris Cross. They can never slow me down, but they need to hate me, now I'm feeling like Chris. Rock with the team, cause you know that we winning, we with it, we going, we flowing again. I might just go by a Benz, I might just blow my advance. I did it all for the...
We're gonna start on the
Veneer?
yeah, veneer. Alright. Close the light. Cancellation, so I'll have a 2-hour break. Should I do what's in my bag? Okay. You ready? Here's my bag. Oh, a banana. My laptop. And this little camera bag. For my back pain. Eye jelly. When you have dry eyes.
Hello. Say hi. I know, it's awkward. Got the color. Hi. Let's go to the car. Let's go to my car. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Some nippy. So now what I want to do is unboxing. I got a package from Ana Luisa. So I'll show you what I got. Oh, I got earrings. I love it. It's pretty. The next one is, oh, bracelet. I can do it. I think I can do it. And then I'm just gonna, okay. Pretty. Nice. Perfect. I got size 7. Another ring. This one, or does it fit? I think I got size 7 for this one as well. Another ring. Yeah, I got some rings this time because I wanted to layer them up. How pretty is that? It's a very simple ring with a little square gem in the middle. So pretty. I'm digging it. Yeah, we can just double it too. It's so pretty. I love it. I think I'm gonna keep it. Nice. What is this? Oh, earrings. Oh, its closure is very sturdy and very smooth. I love it. It's so easy to put it on and off. I like it. So Ana Luisa has a promotion going on in July. I think everything's 20% off. So go check them out. I'm gonna put all the links down below so that you can check them out. And yeah, take advantage of it because summer's a perfect weather to wear jewelry to spice up your outfit and, like, you know, brighten up your day a little bit. Because yeah, my day's already better because of this guy. All right, so back to work. Like this. Okay,
I have 3 of them in a row. It's a whole family.
all right, I saw a patient, did a little filling. So Jessie packed a lunch for me. It's a salad. Let's see what's in it. Ooh. Croton. The dressing in a separate bag. Nicely mixed. It tastes like salad.
I don't like salad. That's it. That was my lunch.
I'm just lemonade, chillin' in the lemonade whip, sippin' limeade, pimpin', I'm a certified pimp. Got the whole block cooking like stir-fried shrimp. He ain't heard on me, he don't hit the curve like this. Cooler than the next man, cooler than the next song. Cooler than the next man, cooler than the next song. Cooler than the next man, cooler than the next song. Cooler than the next man, cooler than I'm an alligator.
Excuse me, Dr. Choi.
Jump aside, black cat sneaking through the forest, a vulture.
So we're getting milkshakes. Your hands are so cute. Batman, what are we getting? We're getting milkshakes. Huh? No, you're not going there. You're so cute. Batman. And we are here. What's going on?
The shakes have arrived.
Yay, shakes! Shakes! Shakes. Thank you. How's yours?
Strawberry.
Not my favorite. It's good though. Yeah. Really sweet. Yeah. Uh-huh. There you go. Batman. You alright? My boo-boo. Oh, my boo-boo. You're doing good. We're almost home, okay?
Prowling in the forest, waiting for a moment to pounce. She crawls by the spiders, hides from the bats. The coyote won't find her 'cause she's dressed in black like that. And when the full moon rises to beam a dreamy glow, she goes to sleep so she can sneak and prowl and creep tomorrow. Black cat